Hello everyone! Today we're going into one of my family's most cherished recipes. It's a taste of tradition straight from my grandma's kitchen. This is honey spice cookies. Before we start, let's gather the ingredients that will bring this recipe to life. You will need 400 grams of flour, a teaspoon each of baking powder, cinnamon, and nutmeg, then 250 grams of butter, 1 whole egg, 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a generous sprinkle of grated lemon zest. We start by cracking the egg into a mixing bowl, separating the yolk from the white. We'll use the egg whites later for the icing, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Next, mix the eggs and butter until they form a fluffy, creamy blend. Now gently add each ingredient we've mentioned: flour, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, honey, and that bright burst of lemon zest. Using a spatula, stir until everything is well combined. Then it's time to get your hands in and knead the dough until it's beautifully sticky. Once done, wrap the dough in cling film and let it rest in the fridge. Now, let's do the creamy filling that gives these cookies their irresistible heart. For this cream, we will need 500 milliliters of milk, half a cup of sugar, 1 egg yolk, 4 tablespoons of flour, and 50 grams of butter. In a small pot, combine all the ingredients except for the butter. Stir well to break down the flour and create a smooth mixture. Now, place the pot on the stove and continue stirring until the mixture thickens. Once it reaches the perfect consistency, add in the butter and mix until it melts completely. Transfer this cream into a bowl and allow it to cool. Roll out the chilled dough on a floured surface. Use your favorite cookie cutters to shape the dough, pressing firmly to create your chosen designs. Transfer these shapes onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now into the oven they go. Bake them in a preheated oven at 150 degrees fan for about 10 minutes. With the remaining dough, repeat these steps, creating more cookie shapes until none are left. Carefully remove the cookies from the baking sheet and join them with their cookie friends. Our creamy filling has cooled and it's ready to work its magic. Fill the piping bag with the cream for easy application. Now, let's bring these cookies to life. Pipe the cream onto one cookie, creating a generous layer. This cream is very stable and will not leak, so don't worry. Carefully place another cookie on top, creating a little sandwich. Repeat this process until each cookie finds its perfect match. Now, let's start with royal icing for a decorative touch. Start by pouring the egg whites into a clean mixing bowl. With the mixer, begin blending the egg whites, gradually adding powdered sugar as you go. Continue mixing until the icing achieves a glossy and smooth texture. Once ready, transfer the icing into a piping bag. Now let's add some charm. A simple gingerbread man perhaps? And the finishing touch with a red decoration bowl. And there we have it, a batch of Grandma's heartwarming cookies filled with love and holiday joy. Thank you for being a part of this special baking tradition. If you love these Grandma-approved treats, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!